Every gritty design tells a story. Just like in a movie, your background should support the main subject and not compete with it. Today we will build this background step by step while understanding why each effect matters, not just how to create it. Let us begin with the most overlooked effect, the gradient. Automatically, this creates visual direction, meaning that it guides the viewer's eyes toward the most important part of your design. What I should do now is to fill a solid color using this color code. Today I prefer using this gradient style to fill a color here. I apply a Gaussian blur for smoothness. And Ctrl plus J to make a duplicate. And then Ctrl plus T to transform as follows. Now, instead of one flat color, the background now feels alive, meaning that it creates atmosphere without distracting from the content. Moving to the next element or effect, the grid. This may look like it only for decoration, something that is not. Basically, it creates a structure, like building a house without a blueprint. Everything might still stand, but it won't feel organized. That is exactly what happened in design. The grid gives the viewer's eyes a sense of order and sometimes add a modern technical feel that is commonly used in branding, technology, sometimes presentation design. The important part is to keep it subtle. And finally, make sure that every element you add should solve a problem, not just fill an empty space. Next time when you open your design software, don't ask yourself the effect to use. Instead, ask yourself the need of your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and comment. Subscribe my channel for more design fixes. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.